Now that you know how to generate custom visuals with DALL-E, it's time to integrate these images into your marketing strategies. In this section, we'll cover optimizing DALL-E visuals for various marketing channels, incorporating them into content marketing, and using them for branding and logo design. By applying these techniques, you'll be able to enhance user engagement and drive better results for your campaigns. Optimizing DALL-E visuals for various marketing channels. To maximize the impact of your DALL-E generated images, it's crucial to optimize them for each marketing channel. For social media, ensure your visuals adhere to the platform's recommended image dimensions, file sizes, and aspect ratios. For email marketing, compress your images to reduce load times and maintain high-quality visuals. For web design, optimize your images for SEO by using descriptive file names, alt tags, and ensuring they are responsive across devices. Incorporating DALL-E generated images into content marketing. Content marketing relies on engaging and informative visuals to complement your written content. Utilize DALL-E to generate images that enhance your blog posts, articles, and ebooks by illustrating key concepts or providing visual examples. By incorporating DALL-E visuals into your content marketing efforts, you can increase reader engagement, improve information retention, and make your content more shareable. Using DALL-E visuals for branding and logo design. Your brand identity is a critical component of your marketing strategy, and DALL-E can help you create unique visuals to reinforce that identity. Generate images that represent your brand values, color palette, and style to create a cohesive visual identity across your marketing channels. Additionally, you can experiment with DALL-E to create innovative logo concepts and refine them to develop a memorable brand symbol. Enhancing user engagement with personalized visuals. Personalization is a powerful marketing tactic, and DALL-E enables you to create custom visuals tailored to your audience's preferences. By generating images that resonate with specific segments of your audience, you can create personalized marketing campaigns that drive higher engagement and conversions. By integrating DALL-E generated images into your marketing strategies, you can create visually engaging campaigns that resonate with your target audience and drive better results. In the final section of this course, we'll discuss measuring and improving the performance of your DALL-E visuals, as well as staying up to date with DALL-E advancements to ensure your marketing campaigns continue to excel.